day 12 of transforming our life, the transformations of life series. Now coming to the 12th day, আমি বহুত বস্তু এনেকুৱা শিকিলোঁ যোনটো আমি আগতে নাজানো, and till the time we make something progressive in our life which indirectly help us to grow out to the destinations of success. Already এটা journey start হৈ গ'ল লাইফত successful হোৱা, নিজৰ ড্ৰিমছ চব পূৰা কৰা, এটা এনেকুৱা লাইফৰ journey যেনেকুৱা আমি জীয়াব বিচাৰোঁ. বাট ইউ নো, মই ছাকচেছক খালি তোমালোকৰ বাবে এটা বহুত ডাঙৰ গ'ল কৰিব বিচৰা নাই. মই বিচাৰোঁ ছাকচেছ শুড বি এন অট'মেটিক প্ৰচেছ ফৰ ইউ. আই মিন ডেট তুমি যি কৰা অট'মেটিকলি তোমাৰ হৈ যায়, তুমি ছাকচেছফুল অট'মেটিকলি পোৱা. ইট শুড বি লাইক এ গেম. I call life is a game. Life is a game. Like a video games you're playing. Similarly, a success also a game. Life is a game. How will you feel when the success come to you automatically? In every area, whatever it may be, health, wealth, probably relationships, whatever it may be. If it came automatically, how will you feel? It will be so good. Yes. Yeah, it will be. But how it will come? You know, I always used to say, whatever today you are is the result of your choice. Whatever choice you took before, because of that, you are today. But why that choice came? How that choice came? Why you take that choice? Because of our habit. Whatever habit may be, today probably you are listening to this webinar, this is your habit. You become a habit for you. Obviously it's a choice, but the choice came because of your habit. You control your mind and you came to watch this webinar again. So if the habits are positive, then you are going in the direction of success. But how that positive habits come? How will the positive habit come to you? Do you ever think this? See, positive habits, how is not the questions. Why you need the positive habits? If you clarify that why you need the positive habit, why you need the habit, then automatically the how will be follow. You will get the result. If you think today that I want a massive health, for that if you start walking, I mean to say if you are studying exercise daily, then it will come. Let's make a habit. The goal should be made. The goal is to make good health. For that, you have to start from today. Whatever may be. If you start, okay. The habits in one day do not come. It should be 40 regular days. Before also I told you that Hanuman Chalisa similarly. 40 days needed to make a habit. But from when you start, probably you want to do exercise. So the first day, I say you should do not do 1 hour exercise. You should just do 5 minutes. Probably not 5 minutes, also 1 minute. Start from 1 minute. But next day, increase 1 minute again. The next day, increase 1 minute again. When you increase it day by day, compounding interest, it will go, and the graph will go on, and the time will come when you will get half an hour, 1 hour exercise per day. So this all habits should be made. Habit is much important to your life to become successful, to become your dreams to come on. See, positive habits are very good. Today, if you are listening to this webinar, you make a habit. Every day you are coming in morning 8 a.m. Yes, between some days we are unable to put the videos due to some reasons. But similarly, you have watching this video. I am doing my work as well as. Do you like it? No? What should I do for you I'm doing because you should get a massive knowledge. I want that you should educate and get the maximum knowledge from this webinar series. Is very important for life. If you understand the content of this, it's very important. Today probably we don't have the office here, we don't have the studio. I'm doing the work with just a phone. It's very difficult for me to do it, but I'm doing it. For why? Just because of you, to get the message knowledge for you. So take it. Habit should be always positive way. When you make your habit, habit one day will not come, but you should start from today onward. Today probably you don't like to study. Start for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then it will go on. Again, little time will increase. One day you will like it. And do it as a personal things. Make things should be always likely. Don't do because you are doing for some reasons. So some reasons means that goal, but when you are doing the habits, when you're making the habits, do it passionately. Do because you like it. Make the way you like it. Like do study like something funny way. When you study like a funny way, you will get good marks in study. You will like to study. See, everyone has his own way. If you ask me, I have my own way to study. I don't need so much time to complete the whole syllabus. If I'm today studying then whole syllabus, I don't need much time. For me, some particular hours are needed, and if I do it that times, enough for me. Similarly also, so you have to make that habit that 1 hour, 2 hours it should be concentrated. Okay, so how to make a positive habit means that so you should make a solid why you need that habit. If you have that big dreams that if I do exercise I'll look thinner, I'll look nice, handsome, and people will like me. So as you got the why, you begin to do the work. Similarly, if we study, I'll get good marks, my parents will like by me, so I have to study. Why you are watching this webinar series? To get massive knowledge from it and to become successful in a shorter period of time, not so much big time. So the things which I have told from the day one, if you start implement it, one day or another, it will become a habit. It will come to your subconscious brain, and ultimately you will work upon it, and the success will come your way like a game. It will come your way, and it will be a habit. It will be very easy for you. It will be automatic process. Do not remember also what to do, because the things will be done automatically. When you make a habit, it will do it on its own. The brain will do on its own. You should not do anything. When you do it, you'll get success, and probably your dreams will come true. Simply, very simple. So make good habits every day. And habit start from today onward. Start something. When you start it, probably one day it will not happen, but from day one when you start it, start from very less, very small, then increase your time and efforts daily, and it will go on its own, and the success will come your way very easily. You'll never notice also how the success will come. This is the way, this is the main principles of success. Make the habits, and we'll talk about the habits, how to make the powerful habits. This is not now, and I'll connect with you in a personal face-to-face, one-to-one contact. So that time I'll tell you about habits and all. So till the time, make good habits, make positive habits, which will change your life accordingly. In these today's sessions, this much only. I wish you everything. I wish you your success life. But if you have not subscribed the channel, please do it. And if you have not liked this video to this, please do it. Do comment sections. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can do the comment sections. The contest is going on, you should take part in that contest, and obviously in day 15 I'll announce the lucky winner. Till the time, do something productive. Thank you very much.